Hello everyone, we are from group 7 and we're gonna discuss about types of paper textbook. And this group has two members. Let us introduce ourselves. My name is Stefan and my friend.
Abyaz Irtiza Rahman.
In this meeting, we're gonna discuss about many sections. There are three sections that we're gonna discuss today. That's the definition of paragraph, discussion about types of paragraph, and example of it. The definition of paragraph will be explained by my friend.
Definition of paragraph. A paragraph is a unit of text that consists of one or more sentences related to a single topic or idea. It typically begins with a new line and is often ended. Paragraph is used to organize information, break up a large amount of text, and make it easier for readers to follow the flow of text. They can be used to introduce new topics, provide supporting details, or conclude a section.
It's a chronological order. This means that the event in a story happen in an order from the beginning to the end. In this section, you will learn how to use context clues, prediction, and prior knowledge to help figure out the chronological order of the text.
Next, content clues. Look at a text and see what words are used. Nouns and pronouns can be context clues to help you see the order of sentences. A noun needs to be defined before a pronoun can be used. Take this sentence, for example. COVID-19, a novel coronavirus that originated in Wuhan, China. The clue is a novel coronavirus that originated in Wuhan, China.
Prediction. Use the predicting skills to help understand a chronological order. As in the earlier example, if the text tells us to continue emergence of variants, the passage mentioned that new variants of the virus continue to emerge. This suggests that the virus will continue to evolve, potentially leading to a new phase of infection and requiring ongoing surveillance and adaptive strategy.
Brainstorming. Think about what you already know. You write about COVID-19. You already know how most people will order it. Emergence of COVID-19 coronavirus originated in Wuhan, China. Global spread, the virus spread rapidly across the world, overwhelming healthcare systems. Varying symptoms infect individuals experience a wide range of symptoms, from mild to severe. Long COVID, some individuals develop long-term health consequences, and so on. By thinking through the order as you already know it, you can understand the chronological order of even a text.
Next, we're going to discuss about paragraph types definition. Classification in a classification paragraph is separate items outward into categories according to shared characteristics. Depending on the subject, we may be asked to classify people, organism, things, or ideas. Useful transitional words and phrases groups. On this examples paragraph, we can use who can be symptoms of COVID-19 be classified by on their severity, or what are the different categories of one COVID symptoms.
Next, paragraph types definition. The starting point for a definition paragraph is a simple definition, which becomes the topic sentence of the paragraph. A simple definition has three parts: item, category, and features. For the example, the item is COVID-19, category is novel coronavirus, and the features originate in Wuhan, China, primarily transmitted through respiratory droplets, cause a global health crisis, led to various symptoms, including mild illness, severe illness, and long COVID. Strained healthcare system worldwide had significant economic consequence, required public health measures to contain its spread, necessitated vaccine development and ongoing surveillance.
Next, we're going to discuss about useful transitional words and phrases. First, for describing location, you can use in the foreground, in the middle distance, and the background, in the far distance, next to, near, up, down, between, above, below, on top of, beneath, left, right, center, front, back, middle, in the interior, on the exterior, on the inside, on the outside, surrounding. Second, for explaining a process, we can use at first, initially, to begin with, in the beginning, first of all, while, as, at the same time, after, next, then, finally, eventually, at last, at the first step, next step, the final, and the last.
Next is paragraph. Each paragraph is a paragraph that combines between outlines a sequence of dates and events. Describe a sequence of steps, compare and contrast two things, explains a cause and effect relationship, classifies people or things into smaller categories. There are have many characteristics. First, main idea. Second, explain about the topic. And last, explain about the topic support details. Example, in response, the pandemic government and public health organization implement a variety of measures to contain the spread of the virus and protect public health. These measures include social distancing, mask wearing, contact tracing, and lockdown. Additionally, the development and deployment of COVID-19 vaccine represented a major milestone in the fight against the pandemic. While vaccines have proven to be highly effective in reducing the severity of illness and preventing hospitalization, new variants of the virus continue to emerge, necessitating ongoing surveillance and adaptive strategies.
For explanation, is the COVID-19 pandemic necessitated a multifaceted response from the government and public health organizations to contain the virus spread and safeguard public health. Various measures were implemented. Social distancing, mask wearing, contact tracing, and lockdowns were crucial strategies. Moreover, the development and deployment of COVID-19 vaccines were marked a significant milestone in combating the pandemic. While vaccines have proven highly effective in reducing illness, severity, and preventing hospitalization, the emergence of new virus variants continues to pose challenges, necessitating ongoing surveillance and adaptive strategies. The note would look something like this.
Main idea. In response to the pandemic, government and public health organization implement a variety of measures to contain the spread of the virus and protect public health. These measures include social distancing, mask wearing, contact tracing, and lockdowns. Additionally, the development and deployment of COVID-19 vaccine represent a major milestone in the fight against the pandemic. While vaccines have proven to be highly effective in reducing the severity of illness and preventing hospitalization, new variants of the virus continue to emerge, necessitating ongoing surveillance and adaptive strategies.
The support details from the paragraph is social distancing. Social distancing means maintaining physical distance between individuals to reduce transmission. Lockdown, it means temporary restriction on movement and social activities to limit the spread of the virus. Vaccine effectiveness is means the ability of vaccines to reduce illness and severity and prevent the hospitalization. Mask wearing, it's mean covering the mouth and nose to prevent spread of the respiratory droplets. And now, if you have any question, just drop it on the comment section below. And thank you for hearing us out. And that's all from us. And thank you